as this is an international language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of named Rishabh Sharma, candidate number 110730. What's your name?
My name is Rishabh Sharma.
How may I address you?
You can call me by my first name Rishabh.
Rishabh, do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name.
Do you know your name have any special meaning or not?
Yes, my name has a special meaning, like intelligence, which is given by my parents with very loving.
Okay, is your name is important to you?
Yes, my name is important to me because my parents have given me this name by with their very love and care.
Do Indian people like changing their names?
No, Indian people do not like to change their names because the name which are given by their family is the only name which they have till their death.
Have you ever changed your name?
No, I have not ever changed my name because my family have given me this name.
Why do people change their names?
People change their name mostly times like they do not like their name and their name do not have specific meaning, so they change their name.
Okay. How do most people travel to work where you live?
In my area, people mostly travel by walking because that is a rush area and there mostly vehicles are not much comfortable to visit.
Okay. How do traffic problems affect you?
Traffic problems affect me like if a person wants to meet me, he have to face many problems like sometimes they can't know my address because that's an area where many people live and the people get more confused due to that.
Let's jump on a cue card. Here your cue card is. You can use paper or pencil to make your notes. You have only 1 minute to prepare your cue card and your time starts now. Okay, you may start now.
As we all know that beautiful sky and sunset is a creation of God, and I have firstly seen a beautiful sunset at my in Himachal when I was in my grandmother's house. I visit there in my holidays and I enjoy a lot. But when our full family was sitting at outside the house, we saw a beautiful sunset which was I have never seen before. That was the only view which I captured in my mobile, so that I never so that I can save that memorable thing in my mind. Most of the people like to see sunsets, because this type of creature are mostly make
Okay. Do people in your country often look at sky?
yes, the people often live in my country looked at sky to see a beautiful creature like sunset and rain.
Why it is important to explore the space?
It is important to explore the space so that we can see the beautiful creature and explore the things which are seen by us first time.
How can learning about space impact the daily life of people?
Uh, Nowadays people are depending on watches, but which is impacting every person's life. But if we see if we see the sky, we can know about the
Will we find life on other planets?
uh, like today technology is increasing day by day, so due to that our scientists are making more efforts so that the life on other planets can be fulfilled.
When will humans live on other planet?
uh, Human can live on other planet in few years, because due to technology the scientists are doing development and making more efforts to live on other planets and make their own life.